Hi guys, it's Barry Joyce here, and it is that new month. We are at the beginning of April, so it is time to show you my results that I've been experiencing from the month of March 2024. Now, if you've been following the videos, I've done a video each month, and I'm going to continue to do a video for every month just to show you the results that I'm having from my artificial intelligence crypto trading bot. Now, just before I do start, please note I am not a financial advisor, and this is truly trading purposes only, and this is my results. And please only invest anything that you can afford to lose, because cryptocurrency is very volatile and your money is at high risk. So if you've been following the last few videos, and again they'll be in the description below, you will see the results that I've had for this year. Now what I'm going to do is show you the results that I have personally gotten for the month of March 2024. So let's dive into it. So here I am over on my Binance account where my trading bots are linked to with my API keys. And again, if you've been following the videos, you will know I am 100% in control of my own finance. I tell the bots exactly how much I want them to trade, and I also tell them when and not to trade if I wanted to do so. And it's purely 100% on autopilot. So just to go and show you, so I'll go over to my spot orders. And now I'm just going to click on order history, and I'm just going to now filter it. So I'm going to show you Marches. So as I said, we're at the beginning of April at the time of this video. So I'm going to go from March the 1st till the 31st, and then I'm going to hit search. Now that's search. Now, as you've probably been, if you've been following the crypto, it's been very good this past month. Yet again, there's been some excellent dips, so where you can buy and sell. So I'm just going to scroll down. Look, so at the bottom of this page, look. So I've had 711 pages worth of trades just this month. So what I'm going to do is just go all the way to the 711 just to show you. Now, as you can see, look, so from the 1st of March 2024, these are all trades. Now, of course, I'm not going to show you all 711, as we'll be here for hours. I'm just going to select a few for you there, but just to show you, look, so all the coins that's trading there. So as you can see there, you pay. So you've got high, sol, OM, everything's all traded with US dollar tether. And there's all of the other information there. So whether it was a buy or a sell, the average, the price of the coin, the amount that it's traded for us, and the total all in there. So let me just go through a few here. So, you know, this is still on the 1st. So I'll go down about 10 pages or so. Yeah, that's still the 1st. Still on the 1st. Look, still on the 1st, as you can see there. Again, there's some Doge, Santos, down there, still on the 1st. Yeah, so there's been a hell of a lot of trades on the 1st of this month, look. So I've done 100 and odd pages so far, and we're still on the 1st, as you can see there, look. So, yeah, so on to page 685, right there, we're going into the 2nd now, look. So again, this is the 2nd day of the month. Doge, Ape, Santos, all the way there again, buy and sell, so it's telling you exactly on there. So we're just going all the way through to there, look. I'm just going to show you, just spend a minute or two on there. So Matic, 6 on there, Doge, all the way through, look. So now we're on to the 3rd. We're on page 615. I'm wondering if there's a way where I could just skip on to that. No, there's not. I'll just bear with me, guys, just for a moment. So there's on to 6. I'll do about another couple hundred, then I'll just go straight to the number one. Look, so we're on to the third. Otherwise, we're just going to be here all day. So as you can see there, so PEP, it's been a really good month actually for PEP, for the meme coins. So PEP and Doge, and Shiba, of course, as well. That was in there. So let me take it down to about 600 page. So there's about 200 pages worth there, guys, and we're only on the third of the third. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way back now to page 1. So as you can see, this has taken us to the 31st. Now, if we wanted to go back up, look, you can just go to page 2, page 3. I'm still on the 31st, so look at that. So page 7. So there's going to be, look, still on the 31st, page 11. Yeah, page 13, page 15, page 17. We're on the 30th now. So up to page 17, you know, look, we've been on to the 30. So 17 pages really there of trades. And as you can see, they're all there. Everything's all onto there. So I'll just take you back to the first page there. And that is my results as of March 2024. Now, I will be shooting another video at the at the beginning of next month. So that'll be May, to show you April's results. And again, please note, these are not guaranteed results. These are just using a trading bot. And please be mindful, if you are going to invest, only invest what you can afford to lose, because crypto is very volatile. And there will also be another video on showing you the trading bots that I am using that is making me 100% commissions on autopilot. And I don't have to even do anything. You know, I just click the button, set the bot, and the biggest thing is, I keep saying, guys, I'm 100% in control of my own finance. Okay, guys, so that'll be it for this video. Check out the other videos below, and if you have any questions, then please feel free to reach out to me, and I'll see you the beginning of next month with April's report.